If you want to learn how to unlock this phone, you should definitely continue watching this video. I've successfully unlocked hundreds of phones with this method, and many other people have done it too. The most important part of it is that it is completely free and it works on every phone. So now you're probably saying, well, it may work, but you have to use some special tools and skills to do it. Well, in fact, you don't. All we're using is a simple website called Neverlock.com. So grab your locked phone and follow me through the unlocking tutorial. Firstly, we'll shut down the phone and remove the SIM card. This will give us access to the phone so we can use it. If you can't use your phone after you remove the SIM card, your phone is probably locked and not activated. So we have to use another phone to unlock it. Don't panic, the process is still the same. So power on the phone, and the next thing I have to do is find the IMEI number. Now there are many ways to find the IMEI number of the phone. The easiest one is to open up the dialer and dial *#06#, and this will show up the IMEI number of the phone. Now write down this and you're ready to unlock. If you can't power your phone and use it, you should probably find the IMEI number written on the SIM tray. Head over to simneverlock.com and fill in the info requirements. Then click on the unlock button. Now wait till the unlocking is complete, and at the end of the unlocking you'll be asked to download an app from the store so you can verify your unlocking. Install an app, run it for about 30 seconds, and make sure that you've done this step correctly. It's very important, and if it doesn't work from the first time, please try again. After you're done with the app install, your phone should be unlocked in about a minute. Lastly, install the SIM card and check if the phone is unlocked. And that's it. I just unlocked my phone in less than 3 minutes. So thanks for watching, and if you want more content like this, make sure to ring that bell. Bye.